In this video, I will show you how to set a custom charging sound on your iPhone. Let's get started. You'll need to get this app, Shortcuts. This is the default app on your device. Launch it and navigate to this Automation tab. Once you're over here, click on the option, New Automation. Over here, you're gonna find the fun option. Navigate to the option, Charger. Now check in for the option is connected and click on the option Run immediately. Then click on Next. Now choose what happens when you plug in your charger. You can make it play music or speak text. Clicking on the option Speak Text, you'll need to type in the text that you want to play after your phone is being connected to the charger. If you select the option Play Music, you'll need to select the music file that you want to play after you connect your phone to the charger. Or also what you can do is head back. From this list of apps, you'll need to select Music. Now from your Apple Music, you can select the music. Click on the shortcut that you have created. Click on Done. Now whenever you plug in your charger, the music will be played. And that's how to set a custom charging sound on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.